Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make TradingView dark. First, log into your TradingView account. Locate your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on this icon to open a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you will find the option to switch between light and dark themes. Selecting the dark theme will instantly transform your interface, providing a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low-light environments. It's a quick and easy change. After enabling dark mode, you might want to fine-tune your chart's appearance. Right-click anywhere on your chart to open the settings menu. Here, you can customize various elements like the background, grid lines, and even the colors of your candles or bars. Experiment with different shades to create a visually appealing and functional setup. Once satisfied, you can save your custom theme, ensuring your preferred look is always just a click away. This allows for a truly unique trading environment. TradingView allows you to save multiple custom themes, which is incredibly useful if you have different preferences for various market conditions or analysis types. Once you've customized your chart, navigate to the chart settings and look for the template option. Here, you can save your current setup as a new theme. To apply a saved theme, simply select it from the same menu. This flexibility helps streamline your workflow and keeps your workspace organized and efficient. Using dark mode offers several advantages beyond just aesthetics. It significantly reduces the amount of blue light emitted from your screen, which can help alleviate eye strain and improve sleep quality, especially if you trade late into the night. A darker interface can also enhance focus by minimizing distractions from bright elements. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. This simple change can make a big difference in your overall trading comfort and productivity, making your long sessions more manageable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.